morning, people. Alright, okay, today is my off day, so I'm gonna go for let me just close the door because it's like so noisy. Okay, actually it's about the afternoon. I woke up at 11:30 today, and I thought, as usual, on my off days I want to do something productive. So I'm going for a photo shoot today. Fun fact about this photo shoot, I just planned it last minute with my friend last night. As I was going to bed, I just messaged her and was like, hey, you want to go for a photo shoot? And she was like, sure. Then I'm like, yeah, let's go. So today I'm bringing you guys to Chinese Garden, where I'll do a photo shoot. Oh yeah, okay, this is gonna be exciting. Okay, today is episode 2 of Toon Recreate That. Okay, look, okay, change of, by the way, I started episode 1 with Toon Recreate That, but with Pokemon, right? Anyway, I'm gonna scratch that off because Pokemon apparently, off my music. Pokemon apparently don't allow me to use their Pokemons in my pictures. Alright. So I'm gonna be just recreating without Pokemons anymore from episode 2 onwards. So I'm just happy that I'm doing that and changing that earlier in the season before I get sued. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna do episode 2 of Recreate That. So I'm bringing you guys along. Anyway, my coffee is ready. See ya. Bye. Wait, I think I should do an epic transition before I lead myself into Chinese Garden. Alright. What should I do? Let me see. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Right. Here's the plan. Okay. So I'm gonna I set up the camera on this office chair, and I'm gonna spin the camera, and we'll be in Chinese Garden during the next scene. Alright, see you guys. Okay, so I'm at Chinese Garden right now. Anyway, I'm just speaking to you guys right now and vlogging just to train my vlogging for at the moment. But anyways, my model is late right now, so I'm just gonna talk about what I feel like doing. Okay, I'm still like so shy to freaking vlog in public because it's like what the fuck. But okay, so basically the idea of today's shot is to recreate because I just recently watched a Spider-Man movie, and so in the Spider-Man movie, okay, spoiler alert, there are elementals, basically like all these element monsters in the Spider-Man movie. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feature them into this shot, and I'm gonna make my model pose like she's looking at this elemental appearing out of nowhere. So I really need very empty landscapes for today's shot. So okay, let me just show you guys the landscapes I found and the reason why I'm in Chinese. So right now, empty spots right here. Right, so it's so empty, and there's like trains there. Yeah. Hi people, okay, so my camera's battery about to run out, so let's just do a quick one. Okay, so I'm back from the Chinese Garden photo shoot, and it went well. I had a great catch up with my a long time good friend of mine, and we had a great photo shoot. It was fun. So basically today's theme was elementals. Like basically I just watched Spider-Man the other day and also I saw this post the other day. And from this post and from Spider-Man, I got inspired to remake a shot. Anyway, I haven't edited the photos yet, but I just came back from the photo shoot, and I thought I would like to
show you guys and tell you guys what's the reason behind why I took these photos. Alright, but for now, in the next clip, in the next transition, you'll see me already edited the photos and everything is done and in new clothing. Alright, so I'm gonna just shut off right now. Okay, so right now, basically, if you're seeing this, I've already edited the photos. Not photos, just the photo, which like I said, I described that I wanted to try out because of my getting inspired by other people's work. So in the end, alright, drum rolls please. As usual, the drum rolls. Boom, the shot. Okay, so this is the end shot, and I'm so happy with it. Just like, I'm always impressing myself. Sometimes, like, I can't believe I did that shot. So anyway, the idea of the shot is just a burning building at the background, and so the model is just a great friend of mine, a close friend of mine, which I asked her to model. Like, so she's in drama club, so I asked her to like up her acting skills at the in you. So I gave her the scenario of the photo, and she pulled off quite well. We took a quite number of shots, and this was the facial expression I went with in the end. I'll show you guys some of the draft. Okay, so first one was draft one, which was quite horrible. It just draft one is usually just the idea of how I want to edit. In the end, it's never gonna be nice. Okay, that's what draft one is. But then after the subsequent draft and draft and draft, then I finally understood how I wanted to edit, right? Then I started editing. So this is how the edits went. So yeah, so as you can see, right, the shot has like this ghost figure with red and all that, and the back is like the building is caught on fire and stuff. And like I wanted to go with this like portrait look where she's like center of attention, so usually the light is on her more than the ghost and all that, because too many subject people would tend to don't know what to focus on. So usually, of course, the model is the main focus, so I darken out the whole background at the end, a bit like around her, not at the end, around her. So yeah, that's what I went with, and I'm happy with that. The tones of this shot also, I pump up the greens a bit because I want to give it this apocalyptic feel, and green is this like when I think of apocalypse, I think of red and green, a subtle bit of blue. That's what I did. I play around with the tone curve. That's what I did in this shot. So yeah, that's that. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. So hope you guys enjoy this video. As usual, please like, subscribe, and just I'll see you guys in the next video. And I might even should I do a tutorial? Yeah, sure, I will do a tutorial next. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.